Joyce, my channel, keeping my life in order. Today's video, guys, we're doing a cleaning expectations versus reality. Oh, this person keeps their house so clean, it's always clean all the time. Guys, but the reality is our homes do get messy. So to sum this up for you guys, in this video I'm going to show you just a little bit about what my expectations would be and how I would love to just, you know, come home to certain things being done in my house already without me having to do it. But that's not reality. So I hope you guys liked the video. So let's go ahead and get started with the video. Man, if I could come home every day to my kitchen looking like this, I mean like every single day, because you guys, my kitchen is really like one of my pet peeves. I love for my sink and my countertops to just look absolutely clean and clear of everything. And just coming home to this would just be so refreshing, like every single day, and me not having to do anything, you guys. I would love this. Like, who wouldn't want to come home to a clean kitchen every day? I mean, you know, just let me know how you feel about your kitchen out there in the comment section. Reality, this is it. The real world. This is how it goes down right here, you guys. Sink full of dishes, and guess what? Wah got to take care of it. my goodness. Having my clothes already folded for me, that expectation is just like, man, it's just like one of the best. I don't mind I would love to put the clothes up. I don't mind putting the clothes up, but just I already have my clothes already folded for me, you guys. Thank you. Thank you. I can appreciate this. Please, let this be done all the time. I would love it. However, the harsh reality is this right here. This is where it is, right here for me. This is the reality of laundry in my household, you guys. Y'all, let's talk about this loading and unloading of the dishwasher. Let's be clear. This is my expectation. Oh my goodness. Not having to do this task right here. Oh my goodness, you guys, the whole idea of just being able to just come home and the dishes are already unloaded out of the dishwasher, already put up and dried away. And I mean, you know, it happens every now and again, but somebody else constantly doing it besides myself, man, that would be great. That would be absolutely great. Y'all look at that. Isn't that beautiful? Absolutely beautiful. Oh my gosh. All I got to say is, here's the reality. This is the real world. This is how it really goes down, y'all. Reality. right, you guys, just want to let you know I had a very good time making a cleaning expectations versus reality video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye, you guys.